Hi there, students. A satchel. Okay, a satchel's like a bag, a rectangular bag, normally made of leather, and it's normally got a flap that comes over the front. And it's usually, or in the past, it used to be used by kids to carry books to school. So when you were a kid, did you have a satchel for your school books? Very often the satchel also has a strap, so you can hang it over your waist, but it doesn't have to have a strap. I think nowadays kids either carry their books in a rucksack or on a trolley because there are just so many of them. Okay, so a satchel, yeah, it's normally for carrying books and papers. I think maybe the difference between a satchel and a briefcase, the briefcase has, the sides are hard, whereas the satchel, it's soft and you can move it around. Yeah, the professor came into the lecture room, put his satchel on the desk, and took out the notes for the lesson that he was going to give. Okay, so a satchel, a small bag, normally with a shoulder strap. Yeah, I guess some women's handbags could be called a satchel as well. I think they have a frame inside. Yeah, and there's a bit that goes over the front. Yeah, but a satchel, this used to be very common. I think it's not as common anymore. Yeah, I think a satchel might even have two straps, but it's still this leather bag that opens up like this, and it's where you keep your books. Yeah, I think a satchel is quite an elegant thing. Yeah, and as I said, it's normally made of leather. Yeah, for carrying books and papers. Yeah, it's not a huge bag though. It's a reasonable size. Yeah, no bigger than that. Otherwise you just can't carry it. If it's full of books, it's more than you can manage. Okay, so a satchel. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. Yeah, satchels used to be very popular. Kids coming out of school with satchels over their shoulders. Yeah, a satchel's a useful thing to carry books and papers around in. And then as to origin, okay, satchel, this comes from Latin. Yeah, from sacellum or sacellum, a money bag or a purse. Yeah, which is in fact a diminutive of saculus in Latin, a bag itself. And I think the word sack is related to this as well. So tell me what if you remember the satchel you had when you went to school. Yeah, I think that's probably it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Satchel.